Thank you for reaching FTC4 Production, the channel that will always provide you intel, deals, things that you cannot get anywhere else for free. Here we are. I am present to provide you free stuff. I'm not here to sell you. I'm not here to lure you into a deal that you cannot get out like a scheme. I'm not here to take away from your pocket. I'm here to put back in your pockets. And if you pay attention carefully, everything that you obtain from here is for you improvement, personally and professionally. And the sky is the limit, depending where you want to take it from there. Today, I want to share something that might look really basic for many, but very strong tools in certain work field. Example, business administration, um, 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 we got business administration, accounting, finance, Excel for beginners. Not knowledge in Excel? No problem. Mastering a few basic skills in Excel will open the door to new opportunities, jobs, and more advanced skills that can help you be more efficient in your work or advance your career in your current or future position. As everything in life, you got to start from a particular level, and it's depending on the work that you put on that will get you there. This course, and sorry for the pause, is estimated to be handled around 4 weeks, meaning that you can put 3 to 5 hours per week to finish it. Okay? This is actually like 25 to 30 minutes a day. So do not procrastinate. Do it. Don't give me those excuses that you're really busy now. You sleep 8 hours, sleep 7 hours and a half, and make it happen. This course is actually free, but there is an optional upgrade available in case that you wanna um, get a certification of Excel, which I don't know what's the point of doing that. But if you wanna get a certified in Excel and get and get tested and put them in LinkedIn that you have that on you with a big diploma, yes, you gotta pay a certain amount of money, which I'm gonna get with you down below. But the objective of this video is not for you, or not to show you that you can go for free. I mean, for paying something there. I don't know. My goal is to show you that there are parts of you that can actually take advantage on these for free. Knowledge is powerful. You take that to the grave. Nobody can take that away from you. Whether you have a degree, a diploma, certified or not, you learn it. It's in your DNA, in your system. You go to an interview, it's, yeah, you're gonna show them a paper that you actually did this, did that. But the real deal is when they start to asking you questions about a particular topic, you better answer them if you want to get the job. You know what I'm talking about? So that's the thing. It's what you know. Or some people might say, well, it's not what you know, it's who you know. Yeah, that applies in many cases. But your survival in the field will be questionable. Because if you don't know how to survive, you haven't learned, you only have a bunch of papers in there, and you're in that particular position because your daddy knows somebody. I mean, I'm not here to point the finger or be hating on somebody that might actually got in my position that way. I'm just telling you the reality. You might actually be hanging in there for so long, but that's gonna be for so long. Okay? Just to let you know. So I really will sleep better with myself if I know what I'm doing, if I know my craft. That's what I'm trying to say. That will bring me more confidence in the work field with my peers, with my boss, because I know my craft. And this is what I'm bringing to you, and you can do it for free for those who doesn't have the money or the capability to make it. Here, people from my community bring you to your doorstep a course that you can take for free starting today, April 13, and ends in October 3rd. The only thing you gotta do is to click enroll and take it from there. About this course. About this course. If you're hoping to move from knowing almost nothing, which that's what I was talking about before, about spreadsheets, to basic comfort and on competence in Excel, then this is a perfect course for you. The goal of this course is to give you a foundation on which you can build more advanced skills in the future. You gotta start from somewhere. I mean, I'm not saying that you're gonna become, a pro and building butterflies out of the Excel sheet after you're done with this. Okay? The goal of this course is to give you a foundation on which you can build more advanced skills in the future. In this course, you will learn foundational Excel knowledge like spreadsheet and workbook anatomy, data entry, summary, and manipulations, plotting and visualization, and powerful tools such as filters, sort, and pivot tables. Not only will you gain strong skills in Excel Basic, you will also find several pathways to continue learning the skills you need after the course. See what I'm talking about? Basic Excel skills are required for many jobs. Oh yeah. And I'm witness of that. I've seen it. My sister actually worked in the field and I know how it is. And she had told me that she's grateful that she learned those skills since day one because it's really important. You know? But more advanced skills are often learned on the job. Practice makes the master. During the practice, while you're working in the real field, you're gonna start to gain the necessary build up for you to keep move for growing. What better teaching than working in the same field? This course can help you quickly to get the point of being able to learn more advanced skills on your own or on the job. The approach of this course will be different from a typical software course. Rather than focusing on moving through as many tools as skills as quickly as possible. This course will emphasize gaining comfort and familiarity with some of the most useful and foundational skills, the skills that you will be key to your success in using Excel now and in the future. You will have the opportunity to practice these skills and identify general principles of successfully working with spreadsheets to be more efficient, reliable, and effective in your job. I love those words. You will have the opportunity to practice these skills and identify general principles of successfully working with spreadsheets to be more efficient, reliable, and effective in your job. Hey, word. Anyways, What will you learn? Confidence with spreadsheets, layout, anatomy, and terminology. Confidence. See what I'm talking about? When you know your craft, confidence comes second hand. Well, first hand, I mean, comes right away. That's what I meant. Good practices for data entry, storage, and manipulation with spreadsheet is another skills that you're gonna learn. Common methods of data manipulation and summary, such as sorting, filtering, writing a simple equation, and using pivot tables. Common methods of data visualization using charts. The sky's the limit. Here's his instructor, Kevin Smith, Associate Professor of Biology, Davidson College. You're gonna get intel from that college. For those who cannot afford to be directly in Davidson College, you're gonna have a little bit of it for free. Now, the part that many of you were questioning, the verified track. If you want to go fancy, be my guest. I'm not here to take you to this track. It's $200. Forget it. I don't want to get you there. Alright? Here is what I want to take you. You can take it for free. Expire on May 11. You have plenty of time to read this over and over and over again. Okay? So, it's your choice. You want to go the free way? Take as much intel as you can for free. Learn the skill for free. Take it to the grave. Apply it to the field. Kill it in the interview job. Excel is very important to have in your system, and you're gonna get it here for free. Or you wanna pay for it, fine. Go for it, but again, I see it unnecessary, but this is what it is. I'm gonna leave it up to this point. I don't want to give you more intel because I don't want to fill you up with so much intel, because there's more to reading here, believe it. I'm just gonna put the URL down below in the description below the video, so you can actually come in here and check on your own page things that I didn't cover. The goal of this video is to show you that there is a way to get these for free. That's it. And you can actually take it and learn and take advantage and apply it to your daily life. Because Excel is a very important tool. It's not only used at work, you can use it for personal uses as well. Good luck. I wish you the best. Tell me how you're doing. If you take the course, tell me how did it go? Which path did you take? If it was for free or you paid for it, or what were the reasons? Share what you got and tell me if it worked out. Please don't forget to subscribe, because by subscribing you provide additional support to the channel. The channel is here for you to help you and others in the community that need from information like this. By you subscribing and give me remarks and feedbacks and give me likes, I mean, I can tell that what I'm doing is positive and it's actually helping others. And that way I can motivate myself to continue bringing more intel like this, which some of you probably didn't know. And in the same way, I can keep moving forward to the path of monetizing, one video at a time. Have a wonderful day.